Hello friends, today I will tell you how to upload HTML files on a CPanel. Let's just start. First of all, you have to open the folder where the HTML files and the additional files are existing. Actually, these are the files supporting files, CSS files, images, and JavaScript. These are sample pages present in this folder. First of all, you need to zip them all. A to archive, zip, paste, and OK. Actually, all these files are now in the form of the single file. Now I will just cut and paste this folder on the desktop. From here I will upload it later. Now on the website you need to log into your CPanel. Login successfully. Wait a minute. Never. Go to this file manager. Here you may see different folders. Just click on public-html, this folder. Now this directory is empty, or possibly few folders may present here if you are accessing the first time. After getting into this folder, just click upload, and what you have to do is to select file, or also you can drag and drop the file. I will select from desktop. I just saved the file, this one, web. Open it. It will take few minutes to upload depending on the size of actually files. The total size is 1.25 MB. Now it's 100% uploaded, and let me tell you one thing. Here is the option to override existing files. If you want to override existing file, just check this, otherwise keep it empty. And now this is 100% uploaded, and this, check file manager, go to public.html. you will see this zip file here. Extract this file, extract, don't change path, let it as it is. Extract here. After completion, close it. And now this zip file is not required anymore, so delete this file from this folder to save this space. Otherwise you can keep the backup here. I am deleting, this is unrequired file. So now check your domain.com. This is the theme which I have uploaded. This is just a sample theme which I have uploaded here. It have few pages: home, about, and gallery, contact. All these pages are here: about, contact, gallery, and index. This is a home page. This was all about uploading files on a CPanel in public.html. If you like this video and you got something for your learning from this video, please subscribe our channel and share and give your feedback in a comment section. Thank you.